How to connect wireless mouse on laptop? You can see here I have wireless Lenovo mouse. So first let me open from box. This is wireless mouse from Lenovo brand, you can see here. Then we have to open from here, you can see here. Then there is given one receiver, you can see here. Then we have to put battery here. Some mouse battery and USB receiver you will get from downside from here. Okay, let me close this one. This receiver we need to connect with the USB port here. We can connect from here. USB port, you can see both side, left and right side of your laptop. I will just connect here. Then we need to turn on from here, you can see here, just turn on. Now it's on. Mouse is connected, you can see here it is working. I am not using a mouse pad here, you can see here it is working. So you can also connect easily, same process. So thank you.